Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Tuesday, April 1st. Here are the 2 words we will learn today. Number 1 is clothing you wear on your feet. Correct. And number 2, can you say it? That's right. Who? Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. My socks are dry. My socks are dry. Socks. Things we wear on our feet. Are you wearing socks now? Now we can make a flashcard for socks and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Up here in the top left corner, sock, S-O-C-K. Down here in this corner, C-L-O-1. This means clothes, level 1. And over here, the number 11 out of 12. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Sock. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Who do you live with? Who do you live with? Who? We don't pronounce the W. We are asking which people live with you. Now we can make a card for who. Please make a card like this. Write who up here in the top left corner. W-H-O. Down here in the bottom left corner, G-W-1. This means grammar word, level 1. And over here the number 127 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Who? Game over. You did really well today. Number 1, my socks. Very good. What about you? Do you wear socks every day? Very good. And number 2, can you say it? Very good. Who? Who do you live with? Let me know in the comments. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, a sale. Very good. Do you know what it means? This is when a store reduces their prices for a time. Number 2, Bob is very talkative. This means he speaks very much. And number 3, please repeat. To take something away. For example, the waiter at a restaurant. After you are finished eating, the waiter will take the dirty dishes Away. Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.